Welcome to our latest video, where we'll be discussing the top 5 work-from-home jobs that could help you boost your income in 2023. Whether you're looking for a flexible side hustle or a full-time remote career, we've got you covered. Our expert team has researched and analyzed the latest trends to bring you the most promising opportunities for the coming year. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the best work-from-home jobs that could help you achieve your financial goals in 2023. Let's dive in. With the rapid advancement of technology, online earning has become more accessible and diverse than ever before. In this video, we'll explore the future of online earning and share tips on how to make money online in 2023 and beyond. From building a successful e-commerce store to becoming a YouTube influencer, there are countless ways to monetize your skills and passions online. We'll also dive into emerging trends, such as cryptocurrency and NFTs, and how they could shape the future of online earning. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or simply looking for a new income stream, this video will provide you with valuable insights and ideas to help you thrive in the world of online earning. Artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized the way we live and work, and it's no surprise that it's also changing the world of online income. In this video, we'll explore how you can make money with AI in 2023 and beyond. From using AI to automate tasks and improve productivity to building AI-powered products and services, there are countless ways to leverage this technology to generate income. We'll also discuss the ethics of AI and its impact on the job market, and how you can future-proof your career in this rapidly changing landscape. Whether you're a developer, a marketer, or simply interested in exploring the potential of AI, this video will provide you with valuable insights and strategies to help you succeed in the world of AI and online income. Building a successful online business requires more than just a good idea and a website. In this video, we'll share tips and tricks on how to build a successful online business in 2023. From identifying your target audience and creating a strong brand to leveraging social media and SEO to drive traffic and sales, we'll cover all the key elements of building a successful online business. We'll also discuss the latest trends in e-commerce, such as mobile commerce and subscription-based models, and how you can incorporate them into your online business strategy. Whether you're a solopreneur or a small business owner, this video will provide you with practical and actionable advice to help you build and grow a successful online business in 2023 and beyond. There are countless online platforms that can help you make money, but which ones are the best? In this video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive guide to the best online platforms for making money. From freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Etsy, we'll cover all the major categories of online platforms that can help you generate income. We'll also discuss the pros and cons of each platform, as well as tips and tricks for maximizing your earnings. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a full-time online business, this video will provide you with valuable insights and resources to help you succeed in the world of online earning. As a freelancer, maximizing your earnings is key to your success. In this video, we'll provide you with tips and strategies on how to do just that in 2023. We'll discuss the latest trends in freelancing, such as remote work and the gig economy, and how you can leverage them to your advantage. We'll also cover best practices for setting your rates, finding high-paying clients, and negotiating contracts. In addition, we'll share tools and resources that can help you streamline your workflow and increase your productivity, allowing you to take on more clients and projects. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, this video will provide you with practical and actionable advice to help you maximize your earnings and achieve your financial goals in 2023. Passive income is a great way to earn money online without active work. In this video, we'll explore various passive income ideas that you can start implementing in 2023. We'll discuss strategies such as affiliate marketing, creating digital products, and building a blog or YouTube channel that generates revenue through ads and sponsorships. We'll also cover investment opportunities, such as real estate and stocks, that can provide you with a steady stream of passive income. Additionally, we'll provide tips on how to automate your passive income streams, so you can earn money even when you're not actively working. If you're looking for ways to supplement your income, or create a passive income stream that can eventually replace your full-time job, This video will provide you with valuable insights and actionable steps to help you achieve your financial goals in 2023. Cryptocurrency has become a popular investment option for those looking to diversify their portfolio and potentially earn high returns. In this video, we'll explore the world of cryptocurrency and provide insights on how to profit from it in 2023. We'll cover the basics of blockchain technology and explain how it enables the creation and distribution of cryptocurrencies. We'll also provide an overview of the most popular cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and discuss their potential for growth in the coming years. Additionally, we'll provide tips on how to invest in cryptocurrency, including how to choose a reputable exchange and manage your risk. We'll also cover the tax implications of investing in cryptocurrency, so you can ensure you're following the law while still maximizing your profits. If you're interested in investing in the future and potentially earning high returns, this video will provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to get started with cryptocurrency in 2023. Affiliate marketing has become an increasingly popular way to make money online. In this comprehensive guide, we'll take you through everything you need to know about mastering the art of affiliate marketing. We'll start with the basics, including what affiliate marketing is and how it works. We'll then dive into the various types of affiliate marketing programs and how to choose the right one for you. Next, we'll cover the key elements of a successful affiliate marketing strategy, including how to choose the right niche, how to build an audience, and how to select the best products to promote. We'll also provide tips on how to create compelling content that drives traffic and conversions, as well as how to optimize your website for SEO. We'll also discuss the importance of building strong relationships with merchants and other affiliates, as well as the different ways to monetize your affiliate marketing efforts. Additionally, we'll cover the legal and ethical considerations of affiliate marketing, such as disclosing your affiliate relationships and complying with FTC guidelines. By the end of this guide, you'll have a deep understanding of affiliate marketing and the tools you need to become a successful affiliate marketer. Whether you're just getting started or looking to take your affiliate marketing to the next level, this guide has everything you need to know to master the art of affiliate marketing. Online learning has exploded in popularity in recent years, and with it comes a great opportunity to monetize your expertise. Whether you are an industry expert, a hobbyist, or just have a unique skill set, creating and selling online courses can be a lucrative way to make money. In this video, we will explore the world of online courses and show you how to create, market, and sell your courses to a global audience. We will cover everything from choosing your course topic to selecting the right platform, pricing strategies, and marketing techniques. Don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your knowledge into profit and join the thriving online learning community. Thank you for watching our video. We hope that you found the information helpful and informative. We value your feedback and would love to hear your comments and questions. Please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section below. Also, if you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about our latest videos and updates. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.